Greetings, family. Welcome back to Crypto Cody Show, okay? Where we're giving you the market news, market updates, and a whole lot of alpha, okay? Let's see what's going on, fam. We got the Fair and Greed Index right here, pulling it up. And we are at 24 today. Get my face out the way. How we do this? Make sure y'all see everything right. All right, fam. There we go. Had to get it correct. I guess I was too far zoomed in. So yes, family. Crypto Fair and Greed index is at 24 right now. Okay. So yesterday was at 29. We was getting a little bit greedy. Some people got smacked. Okay. All right. Right now it's $2.3 trillion in the market cap. Okay. I don't know, man. I don't know where these millions be going. 100 million just disappeared in the thin air. Where it went? So, okay, we got 2.3. Bitcoin dominance right now is at 38%. ETH dominance is at 28%. Okay, family? Now let's check out the biggest movers and shakers for the day. Okay, in the last 24 hours, the biggest gainer is IOTX with a gain of 16%. It's coming in at 13 cents right now. Man, this market took a big hit. I remember IOTX was at like 50 cents a while ago. Next biggest gainer, we got Celsius Network at 6.4% gain, and they coming at $3.84. Next, we got Gala up 3% on the day, coming in at 50 cents. Okay. Olympus Dow up 1%, 1.9% at $500, $501. Okay, family. Olympus, from all my Olympus Dow fans. Man, Olympus Dow is so interesting, man. They got so many forks on so many different networks. It's amazing. It's amazing. Tezos took a hit today after the pump yesterday. 11.2%, still at $4.76 though. Radix keep taking a beating, negative 10%. It's at 26 cents right now. Terra Luna's cooling off a little bit, down 9%. It's at $68.36 right now. Okay. Harmony took a nice hit. It's down 9%. It's trading at 17 cents right now. You know what? We want to do some more research on Harmony. I did a video on their video game, DeFi Kingdoms, which is a pretty interesting game. It's really just like teaching you about DeFi and how it works, the borrowing, the lending aspect, and the farming. So if you don't know about, if you want to learn about DeFi 2.0, Web 2.0, and see how it works, DeFi Kingdoms is a great little game. It looks like Zelda, but it will teach you about how this DeFi works in a simple way. So yeah, Harmony is a blockchain I do want to dive deeper on and figure out what's going on with them. I don't know if it's a layer 1, layer 2, side chain. I really don't know. All right, so we gonna dive deep in a little bit. Check it out. So market cap is $2 billion. Right, all time high on Harmony is 37 cents. All time low is super low. Okay. Let's see. Trading volume last 24 hours is 74 million. You can get it on where can you? It's on Gate.io exchange. It's on Crypto.com exchange. It's on Binance and Binance US. It's on Gate.io. Gate.io. All right. We gonna, that's a little basic. We gonna dive a little deeper, man. Let's dive a little deeper into Harmony, okay? But right now we get into the news. My favorite site, Decrypt. Okay, family. Let's see. Big news on the day. was the crypto CEOs, and we dove deep into that last night. We really went in on that last night, so we ain't gonna revisit that. But it was a good sentiment though. Bitcoin and Ethereum prices tumble 5% after Evergrande Kaiser default in China. Like, it goes up 5%. Ain't nothing to us, man. We in crypto. We used to this. Okay. Craig didn't. Craig Wright didn't win anything. It takes time to build a press operation so effective that you can chalk up 100 million legal fine as a victory. Yeah, this was in the news a couple of days ago. We were talking about that, and he took a zero. He took a zero off. It was like $100 billion lawsuit, and then he settled for 100 million. So yeah, Craig, it was we. Coinbase launches high interest DeFi yields to 70 countries. What? Okay. So Coinbase is we noticed that they add in the wallets and different exchanges and all of that. So let's see what's going on. Crypto exchange Coinbase has announced that customers in over 70 countries are able to earn yield with their crypto holdings through the world of decentralized finance, DeFi. We are making DeFi more accessible, enabling eligible customers in more than 70 countries to access the attractive yields of DeFi lending on their DAI with no fees, lockups, or setup hassle. Coinbase said in a statement. This is big, Coinbase is trying to grow, man. I guess they're trying to really catch up to Binance because Binance has a real large share of the market share. Let me show you guys. You go on CoinGecko, right, and then you go on exchanges, and you can click spot, right? So this is a list of all the centralized exchanges, and we see Binance right here is number one, right, family? They're the number one exchange, and in the 24-hour volume, they're moving $22 billion. In the 24-hour volume, Coinbase is only moving 5 billion, right? So that's more than 3 times the amount. Matter of fact, the number 2, 3, and 4 exchange don't even 2, 3, 4, and 5 exchanges doesn't even add up to what Binance is doing in a 24-hour period. So Binance is number one. The total of Coinbase, Crypto.com, Huboy, KuCoin, and FTX adds up to what Binance is doing. Okay, family? So Binance is moving. Is moving some coins. Binance is moving some coins. It's moving as much coins as the total amount of Coinbase, Crypto.com, Huboy, KuCoin, and FTX all combined. Man, Binance. You've been putting that work in, Binance. All right, fam. Back to the news. Back to the news. So as we see, Coinbase trying to catch up to Binance, but they got some work to do. Okay, family. Just wanted to bring some perspective to the situation. Alameda, Anamakoa, and more invest 6.5 million in Rainmaker to boost play to earn crypto gaming. So, Ethereum-based monster battling sensation Axie Infinity has shown the potential for play-to-earn gaming, but the Bergerson business model may yield many more game players and crypto fuel. Let's see if they give us. Let's see if they drop some games for us, family. If not, I got some for you. Okay, don't worry. Crypto Cody got you. All right. Today, Rainmaker revealed that it has raised 6.5 million seed round to build out a platform around a play to earn games. It's designed to connect prospective players with NFT owning guilds and lending services, introduce gamers to a new blockchain-based games, and provide tools for recruiting and managing players. How do play to earn games work? Axie Infinity requires players to own at least 3 NFT monsters to play the game, but then it rewards those players with crypto tokens that can be swapped at exchanges. An NFT acts like a receipt for a rare, variable, unique digital item, whether they're creatures, spaceships, weapons, or non gaming collectibles. The downside, however, is Axie Infinities can be very expensive, typical hundreds of dollars worth of ETH or more. It's an investment that not all prospective players can make, but that's where novel scholarship programs come in. Okay, you know already what's going on, family. If you don't know, you about to know. NFTs owning guilds loan the interactive collectibles to players in exchange for a cut of the token profits. Players can potentially earn enough to make a living in developing countries, as seen in the documentary short Play to Earn. Okay, so they got a documentary on this. So basically, these Axie Infinities, you need 3 of them, and purchasing 3 of them is going to be over $1,000. And the people that are playing these games are in developing countries, but playing these Axie Infinities, you can earn probably, let's say, I'm guessing $50 a day. So you can't. So if say I own the Axie Infinities, I could rent it out to somebody else in a developing country. They make $50 a day playing the game. They give me 25, and they keep 25. They still make 25 a day, which is a great salary wherever they live. And that's how this thing is working. But I didn't know they had a short documentary called Play to Earn. We have to check that out. Although that is a susceptible to changing tokens valuations, as seen as Axie's declining SLP. So it's crypto. So you're not earning dollars, you're earning crypto, and the crypto fluctuates in price. So Yield Guild Games has thus far been the biggest player in the scholarship space, with thousands of players on board and millions in funding from the heavyweights like Anderson Horchowitz. That's the alpha, folks. YGG. Yield Guild Games. Okay, let's look it up real quick. Go straight to it. I don't play with it. Go right to it, fam. YGG is ranked 171 out of all the cryptos out of 11,000 cryptos. Right now, it's trading at $5.76. White Hill, right? Its market cap is at $506 million. YGG, that's what we're looking at. The all-time high is $11.17. The all-time low is 96 cents. The all-time high was November 20th, 2021, just a little while ago. Okay. Current price, I said, $5.76. It's available on Gate.io, Binance, SushiSwap, OKEX, Crypto.com. YGG Guild Games. Okay, a little brief description. Yield Guild Games is a guild DAO. Fits our narratives, folks. This fits about 3 narratives in one. Okay, it feels a DAO narrative. It feels the NFT narrative, metaverse narrative, DeFi narrative. Okay, family. So it focuses on earning yield through blockchain-based games and investment of metaverse assets through NFTs. The DAO started off as an Axie Infinity scholarship program and have enabled players in the Philippines to make a living by playing the games. The DAO is now focused on building the biggest crypto-focused gaming guild that optimizes earnings and asset values for the YGG token holders. It will expand beyond Axie Infinity and other P2E games, play to earn. The YGG token public sale was conducted on Sushi Swap and was fully subscribed within seconds. Okay, fam? Yeah, so definitely check out this YGG guild. Go back, see what else we got in the news. Told you I'm gonna find that alpha for you. I'm gonna find it for you, family. Microsoft, Warner Brothers backed Palm NFT Studio in 27 million Series B round. As the NFT space expands and flourishes, creators are looking for ways to minimize Ethereum's sizable environmental impact, congestion issues, and transition costs. Man, I'm telling you, Ethereum. The problems with Ethereum is causing actually the blockchain to flourish even more because without the problems that Ethereum is having, we wouldn't come up with the solutions. Like layer two, Polygon spends 400 million to scale Ethereum with ETH2 around the corner. Okay, this is being a big narrative right now, family. Layer twos, ZK rollups, Polygon is getting involved heavily. Polygon has a war chest of Matic tokens it's using to acquire Mirror, a startup working on zero knowledge proofs. Ethereum 2.0 is supposed to solve Ethereum's congestion problem, but that doesn't mean Polygon, which has helped lower fees and ease demand pressure, is going away. First of all, Ethereum 2.0, we don't know when that's coming. But a Polygon Matic is here now, okay? And today, there was a ZK Day event. The scaling platform announced the acquisition of Mirror Protocol, a platform that uses zero knowledge proofs for building decentralized applications away from Ethereum network. According to Polygon, the deal will be worth as much as 400 million in Matic tokens. Okay, family? The acquisition confirms early rumors that the project would spend a sizable portion of the 1 billion it's committed to Ethereum scaling on a Mirror acquisition. In August, Polygon merged with ZK Rollup project Hermes in a $250 million deal. So it's a lot of millions and billions flowing around Polygon Matic, family. Zero knowledge proofs are all about privacy. They're a cryptographic way of verifying something without handing over private information. Imagine having $100 in your pocket and being able to prove this without opening your wallet. Mirror takes that concept and runs with it so that developers can build whole applications with built-in privacy. Now this is amazing, family. This is amazing. This is amazing. Mirror Protocol. So Polygon, formerly known as Matic Network, is a protocol that sits on top of Ethereum and is designed to take pressure off. As NFTs, decentralized finance apps, and blockchain games grow more popular, tell you, fam, you got to just pay attention. They telling you what the narratives as NFTs, decentralized finance, and blockchain games grow more popular. There's more competition for the Ethereum transactions to be pushed through, resulting in high congestions and fees. And that's where Polygon comes in, lowers the fees. Now they got ZK Rollup, and I'm about to show y'all Mirror Protocol. See, which is interesting because I thought Mirror Protocol was on Terra Luna network, but now we're finna see what's going on. So Mirror Protocol is trading at $2.61 right now. The market cap is 300 million. 24-hour trading volume is 195 million. Total value locked is 1 billion. So the market cap is 300 million. Total value lock is 1.1 billion. We got an all-time high of $12.90, all-time low of 89 cents. You can find it on Uniswap, TerraSwap, Binance, Coinbase. Okay, Mirror Protocol. It is. See, I originally did see this on the Luna network. This is so interesting. Its interoperability is really going on, family. Like, it started out in Terra. It could work with Ethereum now, layer 2. It could work with Binance. This Mirror Protocol it sounds very interesting. And okay, Mirror Protocol. Yeah, it's Terra. It wants me to connect my Terra wallet. So that's super dope. Polygon merge with Mirror. We're seeing the interoperability take place, family. We are seeing it right before our eyes. Mirror Protocol affiliated with Terra Luna affiliated with Cosmos Network. Like we've seen this interoperability thing really pan out right before our eyes. Right before our eyes. Meta's Novi WhatsApp to trial in-app stablecoin payments in US. Now this is going to be interesting. Now this is going to be very interesting. So Meta, that's formerly known as Facebook, Novi is their app or wallet. So Novi is Facebook's wallet, and they're gonna try this on WhatsApp. Man, WhatsApp. I got banned from WhatsApp on my old phone number, and when I got my new number, I never tried to get it because it's just so much scams going on WhatsApp. So I could imagine what's happening, what's gonna happen next. Meta's crypto project Novi announced today that a limited number of people in the U.S. will be able to send cryptocurrencies through WhatsApp. A limited number of people. So, what y'all doing? I hope it's the people that sending remittance payments, man. Help them out. Novi is Meta's formerly Facebook's cryptocurrencies wallet, right? And I know that from watching that case yesterday and that lady going in talking about how she stopped Facebook from doing this. There's a new way to try the Novi digital wallet, said Stephen Krayskroll, Novi's project lead. Starting today, a limited number of people in the U.S. will be able to send and receive money using Novi on WhatsApp. Marketing materials accompanying the announcement suggest trial users will be able to send and receive USD peg stablecoin Pax Dollar in October. And Pax, this is so interesting because these are the same conversations that I was hearing yesterday at the congressional meeting. Paxos was there. They were talking about this Novi wallet. It's very interesting that today that this gets announced. Facebook's crypto pivot Meta rebrand. Yeah, man, this is just interesting. And the guy was talking about Coinbase yesterday, saying dude acting like Mark Zuckerberg don't. At least Mark Zuckerberg show up Why is Terra going Luna? Let's see what they saying. I know I got my reasons. I think Terra's going Luna is because of this whole stablecoin narrative, and the UST is pegged to the kind of like you got to burn Terra Luna to make UST. So let's see what they talking about. Amid last weekend's crypto carnage, Luna looked like the only safety net for investors. When Bitcoin fell more than 18% and Ethereum fell 17% between Friday and Saturday, Luna dropped too. But one day later on Sunday, the token mounted an impressive rally and hit a new high of $77.73, while Bitcoin and ETH were still struggling. Naturally, any financial instrument that's able to weather such a storm and come out stronger is going to be a catnip for investors. But crypto investors have been interested in Luna for some time now. The token has essentially hit an all-time high almost every day this week. Unpopular meme coins like Doge, Sheep, Luna also has some pretty hefty tokenomics at work. Besides taking on DAI, the next best decentralized stablecoin, the broader Terra ecosystem is emerging as a formidable potential. Dare we say Ethereum killer? Nah, man, it's all about interoperability, man. So let's unpack what's happening, why it matters, and how developments on the Terra are causing such a boom in the price of Luna. First things first, Terra's UST exists first and foremost as a stablecoin creator. You can pretty much you could pretty much any fiat peg token using Terra, be it the euro or greenback. This is a stable coin, isn't actually backed by anything, or at least anything like Tether or USDC, nor its over collateral like Maker's Dai. Dai is created when users lock up more than 100% of another cryptocurrency like Ethereum or USD as collateral. Terra UST doesn't use either of these mechanisms. So Terra is not backed by a fiat currency and is not backed by a highly collateralized other crypto like DAI. Instead, Terra is tied to Luna, the Terra equivalent of Ethereum's ETH, right? Meaning like Luna is the currency of the blockchain. Anytime someone wants to mint UST, the stablecoin, they must also burn a dollar equivalent amount of Luna and vice versa. If you want to mint $50 of UST, then $50 of Luna need to be burned. So basically, one UST can always be burned for $1 in Luna. The mint burn mechanism plus some market savvy arbitrators, that word right there, boy, also keep UST from trading too far below its discount. This is why all relevant for why Luna may have boomed recently. Stay with us here. I know it sounds confusing. UST can trade a few pennies above its peg because there is a higher demand for the stablecoin than there is supply. When that happens, an arbitrage opportunity emerges. If UST is priced at $1.03, for example, then Luna holders can burn $1 of Luna to create one UST. Then they can sell that UST and make a small profit of 3 cents. Here, Luna is destroyed to increase the supply of UST. If UST is trading at a discount like 97 cents, then the opposite trade presents a similar opportunity. Users will be incentivized to purchase the discounted UST, then swap it for $1 of Luna. In this environment, UST is burned and the supply is reduced. But you might ask, who cares about pennies worth of arbitrage opportunities? Woo! If y'all only knew that's how the world works about these pennies, boy. Great question. The reason this matters is because a solid stable coin, one that holds its peg through thick and thin, is key to anything you want to do in the world of DeFi. What's more, the Terra ecosystem. I think I breezed past that too quick. The reason this matters is because a solid stable coin, meaning one that holds its peg through thick and thin, is key to anything you want to do in the world of DeFi. And that's why stablecoins is a narrative. And that's why Terra Luna and Magic Internet Money, stablecoins that hold its value, not pegged to anything, is major right now. Major right now. You hear me? These stablecoins, UST, and Magic Internet Money is major right now. And as DeFi protocols begin popping up left and right within the Terra ecosystem, users are going to need UST to do their business. Projects like Anchor Protocol, which lets you earn 20% on UST, or Mirror Protocol. We were just learning about Mirror merge with Polygon Matic. Mirror lets you create synthetic stocks that track like Apple, Google, and Tesla. Are you hearing this, family? What Mirror Protocol does too? They're going to create synthetic stocks like Apple, Google, and Tesla. So they're going to create like a coin for them that represents Apple, Google, and Tesla. Mirror Protocol just merged with Polygon. Alpha alert, alpha alert, alpha alert. This time last year, there were less than $50,000 in different DeFi projects. Today, Terra hosts nearly $13 billion in just 10 different projects. Last year, Terra had $50,000 in DeFi. Today, $13 billion. And they only have 10 different projects. Let's put this all together now. As Terra-based DeFi booms, users within and without are going to need UST to interact with various protocols. This demand will put pressure on the stablecoin, potentially pushing it above $1. As outlined before, whenever there's a premium on UST, savvy traders like you and myself are incentivized to buy Luna, then burn it for UST and capture that premium. You feel me, family? So at a point in time, the UST will be maybe $1.03, and then we're gonna trade Luna for the UST, meaning burn Luna to get the UST, right? And we'll get 3 cents on every dollar. The act of buying and destroying a token from a purely supply and demand perspective will raise the price of the token. So the growth of DeFi using Terra has been supremely bullish for this native token. The catch of the course is whether this growth continues while Terra is going after DAI. Could something else overtake Terra? Yeah, the only thing that could overtake Terra is, like I said, Magic Internet Money. Magic Internet Money. Magic Internet Money. Oh, this is big, family. Let's give you some alpha real quick and let's get off of this live. Paraswap just rewrote the rules of airdrops. Okay, family? This is going to be the last story for tonight. We going to get out of here. Let me check. I'll check the comments, see if we got any comments or requests. See if anybody wants some alpha, more alpha. If not, we'll check you out tomorrow. Okay. All right. So this article is airdrops on Paraswap change how early investors are rewarded for participation. The biggest news in DeFi this week was Paraswap airdrop. Some say it was rigged, others say it was a bug, and still others say it was a stroke of genius. Sound like some rap lyrics right there, man. But no matter how you slice it, the drop was a game changer. Here's why. A huge part of the latest bull run has been dotted with various exciting airdrops. The most common format for distribution has been the so-called retroactive airdrop. With just a few minor variations, the mechanism essentially gives free coins to any and all users who use a specific DeFi protocol within a specific time. When Uniswap, for example, launched its UNI token back in September of 2020, it distributed 150 million tokens to a historical liquidity providers, SOX NFT holders and redeemers, as well as anyone who had interacted with Uniswap prior to September 1st, 2020. Basically, if you have ever made a simple swap on a platform before then, you had got 400 UNI tokens. While some people call this free money, the Uniswap team defined it a bit differently. Uniswap owes its success to the thousands of community members that have joined its journey over the past 2 years, they wrote. These these early community members will naturally serve as responsible stewards of Uniswap. So instead of getting free money, these lucky winners users were deemed stewards of the protocol, imbuing holders with new responsibilities rather than just $1,200. Similar Similar language has been employed again and again for airdrop since. Everyone and their mothers became early adopters and should. Logic goes, be rewarded for foresight. Month after month, a different kind of speculation grew too. Instead of attempting to identify which dog coin would move next, DeFi users began speculating on which non-token DeFi project would execute an airdrop. Hey, I'm one of them. I'm still thinking MetaMask going to do an airdrop. One of these layer 2s going to do an airdrop. TerraSwap going to do an airdrop. I'm one of them. I'm on it. I'm definitely an early speculator that's trying to be an early adopter and have my forward foresight, okay? The speculation spawned Sybil farming, the process by which someone creates multiple wallets and executes small trades on a variety of different projects with hope that the like of the Uniswap airdrop, their total earnings can only be limited by a number of wallets they created. Sybil farming, that's what that's called, family. The trend took a particularly cynical turn when it became clear that a researcher at Divergence Ventures Sybil farmed one of the Virgin firm's own portfolio companies, Ribbit Finance. The wallet in question apparently made over 652 Ethereum from the strategy, earning a whopping $2 million. Oh man! The individual had deposited point one ETH, but used tons of wallets. Wow. Wow, that's interesting. So yeah, fam. Yeah. So yeah, let's look at some airdrops, fam. Let's look at try to get some airdrops. What am I gonna show y'all? Oh man. L2B. That's the layer 2 website. Let's see what we thinking about. So I'm not sure about who has a Arbitrum. They don't have a token yet. And what we say, diversify, ZK swap. ZK swap. Did they do an airdrop? Yeah, fam. So you want to check out these layer twos? Definitely want to check out this layer two. It's called L2B.com and see which one of these have not did a token yet or an airdrop, and then try and use their swap. You know, I want to thank y'all for checking in. It's the nightly news. Leave any comments. What y'all think I could improve on? What you think you would like to hear? And see you tomorrow night, fam. Peace.